My ball process part 8. This is a new movement using a U-joint. This U-joint is a RC product made by Traxxas. They call it a yoke. The black part, which is the output yoke. Taking the black yoke, I cut it down. This way I can line the holes to the center axis of the eyeball. Made this eye this weekend using clear dental acrylic. Must have been old. It's smoky. Looks like it has cataracts. This is the center axis hole. I placed the yoke inside the eye and lining it up with a burr. This will allow it to float before I glue with epoxy. The yoke tabs must be clear. As you see here, I have space in between. This will allow me to attach the U-joint. I cut down the fishing swivel and I glued it with epoxy, as you see here. I'm mixing some 6-minute epoxy. I coat the bottom of the yoke with epoxy and place it inside the eye, inserting the rod. This will allow it to float as it sets up. After setting up, I remove the support rod. Now I'm going to attach the U-joint. Now I made a tool out of a butter knife, kind of a U-tool, kind of prying this tab up. And it's a pretty strong tab, but it will just pop in place. Here's the tool here. Just a simple U-cut. I have drilled 2 small holes on the base of the eye, one at 9 o'clock and one at 12. And I just thread the swivel in each hole. I'm really impressed with the fluid of this motion of the eye. Where was this at 4 years ago when I made my animatronic project? Now I made this to kind of save everybody money. I don't have expensive machinery as far as milling machines, but this is quite easy to make this. As far as the L bracket that's supporting this, I mean, you could add rods to it, which later I'm going to add some rods on each side that would support the eyelids, and then I'd be able to add a support table for the servos. As far as the U-joint eye movement, I'm impressed with it. It's quite fluid, it's easy, and I hope this helps. Thanks a lot.